The organization BlackGirlsCode is tackling the race and gender gap in the science and technology industry.
I'm just so floored and so inspired by you young ladies.
This is a movement for those women who believe the time to bring women to the forefront of technology is now.
I believe that this generation of girls of color will be the new tech innovators who will revolutionize the face of technology.
As a black girl or woman in these male-dominated spaces, we have to ramp it up a bit.
Our goal is to teach 1 million girls to code by the year 2040 and become the Girl Scouts of technology.